Welcome to Stockpit. This video will show you how to use assemblies, kits, and packagings. An assembly is a product made from other products. It can also be described as a finished product made from its components. An assembly has its own inventory, and if you sell an assembly, only the inventory of the assembly will be updated. You can allocate the inventory of the components to the assembly via the transform assembly process. A kit can help you group products you often sell together. If you sell a kit, the inventory of its components will be updated automatically. A packaging allows you to purchase or sell the same product in various quantities. For example, you can purchase a product in a box of 100 and resell it in quantities of 5 or 12. Selling or purchasing a packaging will automatically update the inventory of the individual product. Before we can set up Stockpit to manage assemblies, kits, and packagings, you will first need to create the products corresponding to the assembly, kit, or packaging and the related components. Creating product is done directly in your billing or accounting software. Let's start with assemblies. Open the product that will become the assembly. We'll take the example of a table. I click on Edit. Then I select Assembly. For the components, I will need 4 table legs and 1 tabletop to create a table. Let's save. I currently have 0 inventory for my table, so let's allocate some inventory from my components to the assembly. This is done by going to the menu Transform Assembly. I select the table I just created and the stock location. From this page, I can see the on-hand inventory of my components and the quantity required to make one assembly. Let's create 2 tables. It will remove 8 table legs and 2 tabletops from my inventory. I will now have 2 more tables in my inventory. You can also do the reverse operation by splitting the assembly. It will add the components back to your inventory. You can now check back on the inventory of the table. Let's continue with kits. Edit the product that will become the kit. Click on Kit and select the components. We'll take the example of a tennis kit that includes a bag, balls, and a racket. For QuickBooks customers, kits have to be created as bundles in QuickBooks. As soon as I create a kit, its inventory level will be calculated in real time from the inventory of its components, and based on the required quantities. If any component is out of stock, the kit will be out of stock as well. Now let's create a packaging. Open the product you created for the packaging. Click on Transform. Select the individual product and the quantity. This new product will now update the inventory of its individual product when you buy it or sell it. Please note that assemblies, kits, and packagings cannot be reversed back to a normal product as it's changing the structure of the product. We recommend creating new products for assemblies, kits, and packagings. I hope this video will help you manage your products and components with more precision. Thank you.